Hey guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and today I'm planning the week of January 15th in my Erin Condren hourly planner. I'm gonna do another voiceover speed through planner video because I really liked how that worked last week. So if you're liking these, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be using this kit from Sadie Stickers. It's called Cold Outside. I really like the artwork on this kit, and the colors are so fantastic. I'm just going to flip through the kit with the washi and the functional page, little things, and the bottom washi, half boxes, quarter boxes, and deco and date dots. I love there's a lot of deco in this kit. It's super cute. And I also did get the a la carte glitter headers just because I love the colors on this. So I'm going to flip this open and let's get started. So I'm going to start by putting down all my regular stuff. So my bottom washi, the date strips and date dots, and as well my washi in the middle of the day where I mark how long my daughter naps and how long my nanny works for if she is coming, and then as well my meal little things for the evenings. So I really like having the washi in the middle of the day to keep track of the nanny hours because she's really flexible and I have like a different amount of time, and she doesn't come every day. It's super part-time just so that I work from home a bit part-time, so just so that I can get some work done during the day, and that's worked out really well for us, and that way I know how much to pay her at the end of the week. So I really love this kit, but I was struggling a little bit with the cut job on some of the stickers. It just like seems like some of the cuts aren't deep enough. They're all lined up perfectly. So I did have a little bit of trouble getting some of the stickers off the sheet. So I have one more kit that I got in the same order. So I'll see what the quality looks like on that before I decide whether to do another order from Sadie Stickers or not. I also just thought there was like a lot of white at the top with the date strips being so monotone, so I decided to add a little bit of teal washi that I had from Michael's to make that look a little bit more colorful. So I am really excited, as you can see in the video. I have my new nails, yay! I just like ended up waiting so long to get my my nails redone because I was like so sick and I couldn't go, and they were just so insanely grown out. But I am really loving these dip manicures. I decided to go for like a little bit of a sparkly pink this time. So this week is going to be so insanely busy, and my nanny is actually going on vacation for part of this week, so she's only coming Monday and Wednesday. So I am just like really just gonna have to power through, and you'll see I have like a lot of meetings already set up. Tried to schedule everything on Monday and Wednesday when she's gonna be here, and then just try and do as much as I can. Fortunately, my husband's job is also like fairly flexible, so he can sometimes help out, especially in the afternoons as well. So just flipping over to do my starting setup on the second half of the week. I'm going to forget, you'll see in a second, I'm going to forget to put down my meal little things, but I will remember when I do my day by day. Again, I just like some of the stickers were cut totally fine, and some of them, the cut lines were just not deep enough, and I really struggled to get some of the pieces up. I actually ended up ripping a little bit of the bottom washi, but I was able to like cover that pretty well, so you can't tell at all. Like even looking at the planner in real life, you can't really tell, but it was just like really frustrating trying to get the stickers up with the lines. I mean, I know it can be hard to get the cuts right sometimes, but so I wasn't super thrilled with that. But I do really love the formatting on these Sadie Stickers kits. So if my other kit is cut better than this one, I will definitely give the shop another try. So just starting on my sidebar, I picked this Baby It's Cold Outside full box. And some of the full boxes are a little bit Christmassy, so I'm probably not going to use all of them this week, or I'll cut them down. Then just putting the flag on. I really had a really hard time getting this flag to line up correctly, so I'm going to pull this out of frame and white out some of the flag and then put it on. So for the main part of my sidebar, I'm going to mix things up this week. As I mentioned last week, I haven't really been feeling my sidebar lately. Just as I've gotten better at bullet journaling, I just like haven't been using my sidebar as much or like as into what I was doing. So I decided to just try different things and figure out what's going on. So I started with a weekly ombre, and I'm going to use that to track what I post on Instagram because I want to try and post every day, and I haven't quite done it yet. But so I'm going to use that to try and figure that out and stick to that. Then I just am going to do one combined task list. I think it's going to be mostly home to-dos because I really use my bullet journal a lot for work. By the way, if you haven't seen it yet and you want to check out my monthly bullet journal setup, I will link it down in the description below. I am really loving the bullet journal right now. So then I'm just going to do one habit tracker, just tidy up. I like marking that down. It's been really good. And then at the bottom, I'm actually going to try and do a word of the week or a little quote of the week. So I'm just laying down some pattern, some plain washi so I can letter that on just like some little mantra for the week. I decided to go with all gray and the purple glitter headers for the sidebar, and I absolutely love how this looks. I just was so into it, so into this purple and the purple gray combination as I was going through, so I just decided to stick with that for all of the stickers along the sidebar. All right, so now I'm ready to go day by day. The first thing I want to do is I actually just decided that little piece was too plain, so I added a little cup deco from the deco sheet in there, and I love that little mug. It's so cute. First thing Monday morning, I want to mark down we have a new person starting at work on our team, and I'm really super excited about that, so I just wanted to mark that down. Then I am actually need to just remind myself to check in with her really quick before she goes out to a team lunch. She's working in the office. I work remotely, but she actually is going to be working for me. So just want to check in with her when she's done with HR for the morning. Then I actually have 2 meetings right after lunch. Two bigger meetings or longer meetings, so I'm putting down appointment labels for those since they are each an hour long. Yeah. So as you can probably guess, Monday and Wednesday, my nanny is coming. So just trying to squeeze in a lot of meetings that I need to have while she's here. Tuesday afternoon, I actually have a chiropractor appointment, but my daughter can just come with me to that. I'm really excited. I haven't been in weeks and my back is killing me. Then Wednesday morning, we go to story time at the library. We use pattern quarter boxes for all my daughter's activities this week. And then Wednesday afternoon, I am just putting down a work to do with a 3-heart checklist. And the last heart I will use for a little quick meeting that I have. And the other 2 I will put in to-dos. Since this is actually going to be my nanny's last day for the week before she goes on vacation, I am sure I will have a lot I need to take care of. Then Wednesday afternoon, I'm actually teaching a class at work. It's a 6-part class, and Wednesday afternoon is part 1. I'm really excited to be doing this, and I hope it goes well. But it is like kind of a really big deal, so I am marking that with washi and a big half box, and I am gonna put some stickers on it and do some lettering and make that really special because it's really, I think, really a special meeting for me. Okay, so flipping over to the second half of the week, Thursdays are always like a super chaotic day, I feel like. So I actually just decided to put a strip of washi down at the very top, and then I'm going to use a solid quarter box to mark that our cleaning people are coming Thursday morning, as per usual. Then my daughter has swim class again on Thursday. We just switched her into private lessons so that I could stop getting in the pool because she wasn't quite ready for the toddler class yet. And I don't have a maternity bathing suit, didn't want to buy one, and my bathing suit does not fit. It's going okay. She's adjusting. She definitely has a little bit of separation anxiety, but it'll be good in the long run anyways. And skills wise, she's actually a really good swimmer for her age. Then in the afternoon, I'm just putting down a little work to do with a 3-heart checklist, and the last heart on that checklist will be for a really quick meeting that I have at 1:30 that I actually need to mark down, that I need to take from my cell phone as well, because I will be calling in from my car while I drive to the dentist, because Thursday afternoon I have to go to the dentist. Fortunately, my husband was able to work from home Thursday afternoon, so my daughter does not have to come with me for that fun form of torture. That would be torture for her, not for me. I actually really like going to the dentist. I know that's kind of weird, but I love like that super clean feeling on your teeth, if you know what I'm talking about. Then at this point, I did obviously realize that I forgot to put down all my meal little things for the rest of the week, so I'm just going to go ahead and put those down as well. For the colors on the meal little things, I just decided that the grays in the kits were really similar, and I just wanted to split them up instead of going in order. So I decided to go like every other one, gray color, but I did use all 4 colors that came in the kits. I just wanted to have them not have the 2 grays next to each other. I'm not usually like a color blocking person. I usually like to mix it up a bit. So then on Friday, we go to story time at the library again. So using another pattern quarter box for that. Next, I'm going to mark my weeks on Friday. So I'll be 30 weeks on Friday. And I actually remembered this week during my pre-plan to put in that I should put that in. I've forgotten the past couple of weeks and added it later, which is not a big deal. And I made those weeks stickers on my silhouette. And then I do just have one quick meeting on Friday, just checking in with our new person to make sure she had a good first week. So that's actually it for my weekly pre-plan of things I know. So I am actually just going to put in my weekend banner and add in some full boxes on the weekend. There are these 2 full boxes with the flowers in the corners, and I decided to treat those like a double box, but they're all super white in the middle. So I'm going to put the weekend banner on the full boxes. And I like to have something under my banner, but I thought that this turned out super, super cute. And then I'm just going to add a little deco in too, so that it doesn't look quite so white. Okay, so that is everything for my pre-planning. So I'm going to pop this planner open and zoom in a little and do some character stickers for the week, starting with a little Once More with Love munchkin that is massage for chiropractor, and one for story time. And then I actually have these other reading munchkins, so I'm going to use that for the other library day just to mix it up. I am so obsessed with Once More with Love munchkins right now. Then for swim class, I have my Scribble Prince Co. Dino Mermaids. I'm super bummed that they're not doing the dinos anymore except Chloe, but I just ordered a bunch of grab bags, so hopefully I get some good ones to keep me going. And then I just used a pencil munchkin for the new person starting, and a dino for some of my meetings, and laptop ones for other meetings. And then I'm sticking in my 30 weeks sticker now, which I did make myself, as I mentioned before. And I actually really like those stickers that I made. I did a good job. And then I grabbed some little foiled silver feet from the Erin Condren pregnancy planner sticker sheet, which I don't have the planner, just the stickers, and added that in as well. And then I had this like little tooth icon that I printed myself that I put on the dentist, and leftover from a SPC freebie, which had a little vacuum on it for the cleaning people. There wasn't really like functional deco in this kit, just like deco and icons. And I like functional deco. I like both actually. And then a spray bottle for tidy up, and I actually made that myself as well. So that is everything on the pre-planning. So I am going to turn the camera off and go ahead and get this all filled out, and I will be right back. Okay, so that is everything all filled out. I have to say, I did not love writing on these stickers. This is the premium matte from Sadie Stickers, and I just felt like it was super hard to write on. So I think if I do another order from Sadie Stickers, I will definitely order a different kind of paper. It's just like was not a pleasant writing experience, and I write on almost all of my stickers, so that's not really gonna work for me. I know I feel like I've been saying some sort of negative things, but I actually love the formatting on these kits so much that it's like if I can get some of these other issues resolved, it's definitely worth trying again. The formatting is like so functional for me. So the munchkins are all for Once More with Love. This is a Once More with Love munchkin, but it's left over from an SPC freebie, and as is this. The dinos are all SPC as well. I made the 30 weeks, the tooth, the spray bottle, and I put a little camera sticker to remember that that's for my Instagram. And I used my Sharpies to write on the stickers. I may test out some other pens to see if it gives me a better experience. And then I just decided the word this week was going to be breathe, because as I said, this is really going to be a very crazy week. Oh, this little foiled sticker is from Erin Condren from the pregnancy petite planner sticker sheet. All of the writing in my book is with the Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen in S. I am thinking about trying another pen, maybe a Pigma Micron, but maybe not. Do you have a favorite pen for writing in your planner? If so, let me know in the comments down below. Any writing on darker stickers will be done, as always, in my Uniball Signo in white. I absolutely love how this is coming together. It's like such a nice change from last week, which was like way more monotone and gray, and I'm really happy with all the purples and the teals, and I can't wait to see how this turns out. So if you want to see how it turns out, definitely follow me on Instagram at mycraftyplans. Let me know what you think of these sort of speed through videos. If you prefer this, I'm probably going to stick with it for a while because it's much easier for me to film and do. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'd love it if you subscribed, and I will talk to you guys all soon. Bye.